first go to the FHIR Packages section. Next, click on the Import FHIR Package button. Now, choose the package you want from the list of available options. Finally, just wait for the package to finish loading. As soon as the loading is complete, you can begin using the profiles, extensions, and search parameters defined in the IG. Let's create a patient resource and validate it against the US Core patient profile. This will help us see how the validation works. The US Core race extension is now recognized by Aidbox to check OMB category codes against terminological binding after loading the US Core IG. If we enter an incorrect code value, we'll see a validation error. For example, if we remove the required gender field that US Core patient requests, we'll also see a validation error telling us that the gender field is mandatory.